Have you ever used ChatGPT to generate an ad copy or blog post and got something that sounds like it was written by a toaster? Then this video is for you. I found the perfect ChatGPT formula for you'll ever need to master prompting with ChatGPT, specifically for digital marketers who want to write better copy, generate better ideas, and get higher performing content. So let's get started. First, it's critical to not only know what the 6 components are: task, context, exemplars, persona, format, and tone. Let's break down each component, starting with task. This is your instruction. Always begin your task with an action verb. Write, generate, create, analyze, and brainstorm. For example, write a 3-email welcome sequence for new leads in my email list. Or analyze my Facebook ad copy and suggest improvements. Clarity is everything. If you've ever gotten outputs that felt vague or totally missed the point, it's usually because the task wasn't clear enough. The more clarity, the more useful the response. Next is context. And this is important for digital marketers because ChatGPT doesn't know your audience or your goals unless you tell it. So here's a simple checklist I use. Who is your audience? What are you trying to achieve? What platform or environment is the content for? Here's a better prompt. I'm launching a cruelty-free skincare brand for Gen Z women. I want to create a 7-day email nurture sequence for subscribers who just joined my newsletter from a TikTok ad. Each email should educate, build trust, and end with a soft call to action to check out the product line. Now ChatGPT has something to work with. Examples. Have you ever asked ChatGPT to write copy and it gives you something totally off-brand? That's what happens when it doesn't have a template or tone to follow. Every piece of research on large language models shows that including examples improves the output. Let's say you want to generate high-converting Facebook ad copy. You could include a sample format you like and say, write a similar ad for my email marketing course. Giving ChatGPT a structure or reference to mimic helps it produce content that's on-brand and on-point. Format. The format defines how you want the output to be delivered. It could be an email, a blog post, or a bullet point outline. Picture what you want, then say it. Let's say you're analyzing ad performance and want a quick summary. You could write, summarize these ad results in a table with 4 columns. Now instead of paragraphs of text, you get a ready-to-copy table for your report. And finally, tone. This one's easy to understand, but easy to overlook. You can ask ChatGPT to be casual, professional, persuasive, or friendly. If you're not sure of what tone to use, you can ask ChatGPT to recommend a suitable tone. For example, I'm writing a thank you email to customers. I want it to feel warm and authentic, but not overly salesy. What tone words should I use in my prompt? ChatGPT will give you keywords like friendly, grateful, and sincere, and you can build your prompt from there. Now, let's bring all 6 components together into one comprehensive prompt, so you can see how it actually works in a real-world digital marketing scenario. You are a senior copywriter at a DTC e-commerce brand. Persona. We're launching a sustainable fashion line targeted at eco-conscious Gen Z shoppers. Context. Write a 3-part email campaign introducing the line, using the PAS framework and ending each email with a unique CTA. Task and format. Deliver the emails in markdown format, with bolded subject lines and clear paragraph breaks. Exemplars. Use a confident and upbeat tone that feels Gen Z friendly without being cringy. Notice how this one prompt includes all 6 elements. The task is clear and action-driven. The context outlines the audience and product. The example gives structure. The persona adds voice and perspective. The format ensures it's easy to reuse, and the tone guides how it should feel. Pro tip. If you already have an existing email campaign you like, you can swap out the framework instructions and simply say, follow the exact same format as the example below, then paste your reference. So there you have it, a full walkthrough on how to use ChatGPT for digital marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and freelancing content.